गावात येवपी मल्टी हाऊसिंग प्रकल्प नाका म्हण बुधवारा कासावली, आरोसी आणि कुयेली गावच्या थळाव्यांनी एकवटान निषेध केला। थळाव्या पंचायतीन असल्या प्रकल्पांक एनओसी दिवची न्हय म्हण थंयचे लोक मागणी करतात। आरडीएक्स खातीर कासावलीच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Of the Civic and Consumer Forum of Kuyeling Kansauli ROC. It's regarding this project in Muddir, where mostly OBC inhabitants dealing with farming in this area are inhabited. They are all occupying Munkarial houses, and the property involved is 46/2, 46/3, 46/4 of Kuyeling village, Muddir. The property whole acquired by RTCL and Biotech. This project was first envisaged in 2007, which was stopped because of various reasons, for not having proper conversion sanad, because of the slope of the gradient slope of Our Lady of Remedies. The two properties 46/2 and 46/3 is completely encroachment of Our Lady of Remedies chapel property, which is a heritage hill where the famous Three Kings feast takes place. The other part of the objection is, in such a small village with only 350 inhabitants, they are going to come with two big housing projects and a so-called clubhouse. A clubhouse in a inhabited, populated area is I've not heard of. So the TCP, which has given clearances and half clearances and no clearances at different stages, which they have mentioned, the sanad is being blocked of one property. They have amalgamated without proper conversion sanad, and the project has been now, which was revoked even by the panchayat, has been revived by the additional director by his order recently in September end. So now we are concerned with, if they get the sanad for the one controversial plot, they will start work.
RTCL project जो आसा 2007 सगळे गांवचे लोक जे आसा ते ऑब्जेक्ट केल्ले। आयज परत तो प्रोजेक्ट येता आणि आयज मुड्डेरचे लोक जे आसा भायर येयलेले आसा आणि गव्हर्नमेंटाक सांगूंक सोदता की हो जो मेगा प्रोजेक्ट जो आसा आमचो गांवांत नाका। आणि आमी आयज कोर्टान वयतले, सरकाराक आमी मेमोरेंडम दितले आणि तरी पासून सरकार हे प्रोजेक्ट जे आसा फाटी घेयना जाल्यार आमचो कासावलेचो, मुड्डेरचो आणि सगळो एजॉइनिंग विलेजीस जे आसा एकवटान आसा ह्या इश्यूचेर, आणि जाय जाल्यार आमी रस्त्यार येतले आणि गव्हर्नमेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसा कितें जालें जाल्यार। कित्याक
सद्याक आमी सायन घेतले आसा की आमकां प्रोजेक्ट नाका म्हणून गांवची थोड्यांची सायन घेतली आसा।
तेन्ना हो प्रोजेक्ट येता बाबा तो आमकां हांगा नाका। फाल्यां सकाळ आमकां उदका त्रास जातले, शेतां बाता त्रास जातले, भुरगीं भोंवपाक गोवपाक सगळ्यांक त्रास जातले। हे भायलो लोक येतलो, हे ना तरेचे हांगसर भुरगे बळां सगळ्यांक करून पेड्यार करतले। कोण राखून भोंवतलो भुरगे बळां? आयज कितें आयकूंक येता, तर आयज पसून भुरग्यांक लोक लागता बरे भशेन। हेजे मुखार आमच्या भुरग्यांक राखून जावचें ना, आनी हो आमकां प्रोजेक्ट हांगा नाका।